Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to discuss extremely important questions from the chapter, the third level. And without wasting time, let us start with the first question. Students, the question is asking about Charlie's character sketch. So, we are going to include these points. Highly imaginative. Charlie was highly imaginative because throughout this story, he is imagining about third level, about the letter, about the Galesburg place, etc. Okay, he is very sensitive. He is very sensitive. Therefore, he is dealing with the things, the matter of life very sensitively. Next is escapist. He is, of course, an escapist because he escapes to another world of third level, imaginary world, and by this he is escaping from the harsh reality. Okay, he is loving and caring towards his wife. Let's move to the question two. Question number two is about character sketch of Sam. The first point that we will include is he was true to his profession. He was very much competent doctor. That is why he was able to diagnose the ailment of Charlie. And he did not hide this from his wife as well. He said it so that she will be able to understand it and work accordingly. And he himself suggested Charlie that it is imaginary world. He was not in reality, and he was very true to his profession because he was able to tell the patient what was his problem. Let's move to the next question. The question is, what does the third level refer to? The answer will be the Grand Central Station. But this Grand Central Station exists, but not third level. It has only two levels, first and second. So third level is not in reality. It is created in the mind of Charlie, and it is a way of escapement for Charlie from harsh reality. He thinks that from third level he will be able to go to another place which is very peaceful. Let's move to the next question. Another important question is, what did Charlie see on the third level? Now here, the first point that you will include is the rooms were small. Next, fewer ticket counter or windows and train gates. Okay. Then flickering dim lights from open flame gas lights. Next, old fashioned locomotives. Next is people wore old fashioned clothes. Students, we know that Charlie had gone to another level. Okay, that is third level. Now he is in past, the things which has already happened. So when we compare our past with our present, then obviously we are going to see changes. So these are the changes that he witnessed when he was in third level. Let's move to the fifth question. The question is, what was it on the third level that confirmed that Charlie was really in an old world of last century? Students, the answer should include that there was a newspaper which was unpublished, and that newspaper contained the news about President Cleveland. Okay, so it confirmed that he was in last century because President Cleveland was there in America during this phase. And when he came back to reality, he found the newspaper of June 11th, 1894 in the public library files. Let's move ahead. What was Charlie's vision about Galesburg town? Students, the answer should include it was very wonderful place still, and during 1894 people would sit out on their lawns. People will smoke cigar, people will talk quietly, women will have time for themselves, they will enjoy nature, they will read, they will have a wonderful time. So he says that it is a peaceful place. Let's move to the next question. The modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and stress. What are the ways in which we attempt to overcome them? Students, there are numerous ways to deal with our fear, war, worry, etc. Okay, few are mentioned here. Apart from these points, we can include other things also. It depends upon individual to individual. Okay, I'll read out the points. by writing poems, by writing stories, by playing games, by watching movies, listening to songs, traveling to different places, and talking with our elderly people, talking with our friends, spending time with our beloved ones, and writing our autobiography, etc. So there are few which I have mentioned. You can include more based on your interest. That is how we can uh, make ourselves happy and get rid of all this insecurity, fear, war, worry, stress, etc., which is a very important part of depression of this modern world. Let's move to the next question. What impression do you form of Charlie from your reading of the story? Now, students, here, the first and foremost thing is that he is an escapist. I told you why. Next is unable to cope with the reality. And in my line by line explanation video, I have told that why he is unable to cope up in this modern world. All right. And the next point is he is true representative of modern people. He lives in imaginary world because in imaginary world we are happy, we live our life, we are not burdened, we are not dominated by anyone, we don't have any work that is to be done on particular time, we are free, we are able to live our life as the way we want. Okay, therefore imaginary world is better compared to reality for modern person. Next, letter of Sam in is his creation. Now in imaginary world he creates letter which he receives from Sam. Alright, this is just a figment of imagination only, nothing else. It has not happened in reality. Most probably Sam has not gone to third level as well. Okay, so it is happening because of his the intensity of imagining has reached to another level. Now, he is acute observer because the way he describes everything right from the third level, okay, to Galesburg, we get each and every details of that particular situation or time exactly. It was narrated in very beautiful manner. So we get what was the situation out there through the observation of Charlie. There are other things also which I have mentioned in his character sketch in this video, question number 1. So please go through it. Now, apart from these, students, if you have any other questions which you want me to explain, please comment in the comment box. I'll be waiting for that. Thank you for watching my video. I will be uploading other videos very soon. Thank you.